I've learned a lot throughout this course that mathematics is very important in the real world. No matter what you do, you can't escape mathematics. Because mathematics is a study of patterns and there are patterns all over everything. Since math is known to be related to logic and reasoning, it can be used to solve practical problems. Math is obviously found in engineering, but it can also be found in other courses such as art. To solve the problem of making your own art to be more pleasant to the eyes, take inspiration from nature because there are patterns in nature that can be found and used in your art. Mathematical patterns trigger the brain's emotional side, so it improves the people's view on your art. The main point about mathematics is solving practical problems that you face in real life, from the simplest problem to the more mind-breaking complex problems. All of them most likely require math. Mathematics can unlock a child's inner analytical skills as they are tested with stressful problems. All of them most likely require math. Mathematics can be used to help children understand concepts that can be used in practical problems. These are some of the things I have learned in this course and they will help me in the future.
Hi, so I'm Joshua Ko. I'll be answering some questions for the reflection video. So the first question is, why is math considered a tool in solving problems efficiently? So for me, I think of math as a tool in problem solving mainly because its main essence is problem solving. So from the very start, we were taught how to solve basic problems such as the ones involving addition and subtraction and other operations. Then this eventually evolved into more complex math concepts, which are actually, or which have become helpful in solving real life problems. So the second question that I'll be answering is, after learning about consumer math, how do you propose to manage your own finances? So for me, the topic of consumer math was actually really interesting and helpful because it helped me realize or understand the way that the world of finance worked. It helped me understand the calculations behind the systems and the ways that things were being done in the world of finance. It also allowed for me to realize that there are better ways in handling your own finances, and that you're not limited to only saving your money in the bank, but actually you have the choice to invest your money and help it grow by investing in stuff like stocks and bonds. So consumer math helped me realize that I could actually do this in the future. The third question that I'll be answering is, name three words that describe your experience in this course. So the first word for me would be fun, second would be interesting, and third would be useful.
Math is considered a tool in solving problems efficiently because they can serve to streamline things that make certain processes inefficient. A great example of this is in race cars, where math can be used to solve what kind of engine is fastest, what kind of fuel is most efficient, and what shape of the vehicle serves best for aerodynamics. For real-life applications of the problem, I believe game theory is important in the field of math because it helps to analyze decisions and help which one would be the most beneficial one to choose. Math is also relevant today in the digital age because it is very basic and widely used language, especially in computers and several kinds of applications. Commonly used examples of this are in GPS, online delivery, internet browsing, and even calling and texting. To summarize my experience in this course thus far, three words I would use to describe it are interesting, informative, and meaningful.